Hi, I am Abhira Patil, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy by downloading the Unacademy Learning app, where you can find my other courses as well. In this video, we will look at some questions on one-word substitution words beginning with F. So please rate, review, and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our Unacademy YouTube channel. The subscribe button is just below. So our video is titled Quiz Test Your Knowledge, and you're watching this with me, Abhira Patil. This is a link to my Unacademy profile, so you can go to this link to watch my other courses as well as follow me on Unacademy. If you like this video, then please do rate, review, recommend, and share it. Now in this quiz, we will look at questions on words beginning with F. So let's start our lesson. Let's look at the first question, which is a period of 14 days. Now this is an absolutely easy question. Let's look at the options anyway. Fortnight, equinox, week, none. So of course the answer for this question is A, fortnight, a period of 14 days or 2 weeks. Equinox is when days and nights are of equal length. Week is a period of 7 days. So the answer for this question is A, fortnight. The next question is a short story of animals with a moral. Options are fable, epic, fiction, or folk tale. So the answer for this question is A, fable, a short story of animals with a moral. Epic is a long poem narrating the deeds or adventures of a heroic or a legendary figure, or maybe even the history of a nation. Fiction is a story or book about imaginary people or events. So example is Harry Potter, so that's a work of fiction. Folk tale is a story that is passed on by word of mouth over a long period of time. So the answer for this question is fable, a short story of animals with a moral. Next question is one who makes and fits shoes for horses. A, cobbler, B, goldsmith, C, farrier, and D, barber. So the answer for this question is also quite obvious. It's C, farrier, one who makes and fits shoes for horses. Cobbler is one who mends shoes for humans. Goldsmith is the person who makes gold articles. And barber is a person who cuts hair. So the answer is C, farrier. Next question is a group of goats, sheep, or birds is called pack, herd, colony, or flock. So the answer for this question is D, flock, a flock of goats, a flock of sheep, or a flock of birds. Pack is a group or a pack of wolves or a pack of cards. Then herd is a herd of deer or a herd of cows. Colony is for a colony of ants. So that's why the answer for this question is D, flock, a group of goats, sheep, or birds. Next question is goods transported in bulk by aircraft, train, ship. Options are freight, cargo, load, or all. So the answer for this question is D, all, because freight, cargo, and load are synonyms of each other. In the previous lesson, I told you all that cargo is the synonym of freight. So there's another one, load. That's why the answer is all. Next question is a false idea or belief. Options are mistake, fallacy, fact, or other. So this is also quite easy. The answer for this question is B, fallacy. Mistake is an error, and fact is something that is known to be true or proven to be true. So false idea or belief is a fallacy. Let's look at the next set of questions. A group of ships is called cluster, fleet, packet, or bunch. So the answer for this question is B, fleet. A group of ships is called a fleet. Cluster is a cluster of stars. packet is a packet of biscuits, and bunch is a bunch of grapes or a bunch of sticks. So that's why the answer to this question is a group of ships is called B, fleet. Next question is a person who believes in fate. Options are fatal, fatalist, lethal, or mortal. So the answer for this question is B, fatalist, a person who believes in fate. Fate is something that leads to death, anything that leads to death. Lethal is something that is sufficient to cause death, and mortal is anything that leads to death. So these are synonyms. That's why the answer for this question is B, fatalist, a person who believes in fate. And last question is a serious crime like murder. Options are forgery, felony, fraud, or other. So the answer for this question is B, felony, or serious crime like murder. Forgery is the act of imitation of documents or notes or signatures. So that is forgery, when there you have forged signatures, right? Imitation of documents. And fraud is when a person deceives someone in order to get a benefit for himself, that is for personal gains. A person does something wrong, then that's fraud. So serious crime like murder, the answer to this question is B, felony. So with this we come to the end of the quiz. I hope you all liked the quiz and thank you for watching it. For any questions, suggestions, doubts, feedback, please mention those in the comment section. I hope you all enjoyed the quiz and got most answers right. And if you all like this quiz, please do not forget to rate, review, recommend and share it so that more and more people take this quiz and are able to analyze if they are getting the answers right or where they are going wrong. And it can help them become better at one word substitution questions. So keep watching the space for more. Bye.